So you know how I went to that woman's lunch today?
Mm-hmm.
Well, one of the girls told me something super juicy.
Tell me.
I don't know if I want to tell you because I feel like you're going to tell somebody.
I'm not gonna tell anybody. Tell me. Allie, come on.
All I have to say, your teammates are sketch.
Can you please just tell me what you heard?
No.
Allie, come on.
It's not even that juicy. Well, no, that's a lie.
Allie, please just tell me what you were gonna tell me.
We'll just guess.
How am I supposed to guess?
I just don't want you to go off and like spew the information.
Who am I gonna tell?
I feel like just you knowing is risky.
Allie, for the love of God, can you please just tell me?